Experience the power of gas without the hassle. The new RYOBI 40-volt HP 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. Our most advanced and powerful brushless motor and 2 high-capacity 40-volt batteries combine to rival premium gas mowers and deliver up to 70 minutes of continuous runtime to get the job done. It starts with just the push of a button, and the self-propelled technology allows you to tackle every inch of your yard with ease, while mulching, bagging, and side discharge options result in a cleaner, healthier-looking lawn. Change between 7 different cutting heights in a single motion. When full, quickly remove the Easy Lift bag, and with one touch, the handles fold down for compact vertical storage. With the rapid charger, batteries charge 4 times faster, so you're always ready for the next job. The RYOBI 40-volt HP 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. Proudly made in the USA by the #1 cordless mower brand. Gas performance, cordless convenience. Sold exclusively at the Home Depot.